Can you guys see and hear me?
I hear you. I hear you,
Cool.
James.
I'm doing it from my phone this time, so
Oh,
maybe
boy.
that'll work.
Oh, glad to
Sorry
hear
about
your voice. It'll be so much less frustrating for you. Oh,
Oh man. About all the hassle, everyone.
oh, I feel bad for you.
It's been kind of a crazy week. Like on Easter morning, my laptop crashed, so I've been like using a bunch of my roommates' laptops.
Oh,
And
boy.
today, I finally got my own laptop fixed, so I was hoping that was the problem.
Well, hopefully it'll
Okay.
come around to working for you with the sound eventually, but we
It's
can hear you
fine.
great.
Yeah, I can just use my phone, so it's no big deal.
All right. Okay. Do anybody have any questions on lesson 4?
I didn't.
I'm good with it too.
I'm
How about
good.
you, Jane?
I think I'm good. Sorry, I'm just trying to pull everything up back now.
Yeah, go ahead. Dorothy, was there anything on lesson 4 that you wanted to go over on the homework?
No. Were we supposed to do 5 and 6 together?
Oh, yeah, we were. I'm glad that you mentioned that.
It just said part 2. You will fill this part out during your group presentation session.
Yep, you're right. I went ahead and did it even though I saw that, but
I did too, actually.
Well, that's good too. I didn't even try. I just loved it.
Neither did I.
all right. Well, do you guys want to take a stab at that, Dorothy or James?
Oh, sorry. I'm still loading up my page.
Okay,
I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
take your
I'm
time.
really close.
Says an 8-sided die has 8 possible outcomes. Calculate the probability of no, I'm not sure.
I'll tell you guys, for that question, what got me is that you're guessing for over 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't want to include the number 5 because it needs to be higher than 5. Does that make sense?
Yep.
So the answer I got on that one was 3/8.
Yeah, I got the same.
So then for 6, 5/8 or 4/8.
Yep.
For number 6.
It's 5, yeah, because
Would be 5,
Okay.
yeah.
yeah.
Okay, good. That's not too hard. I just haven't.
Yeah, it wasn't
It's been a while.
difficult.
Fun. All right, good. So for preparation assignment 5, did anyone else have any questions?
I didn't really with that. I think a lot of them are going to be explained as we go forward with the test or whatever, the quiz.
Yeah, should we go ahead and do the lesson 4 quiz before we do the lesson,
Yeah,
or lesson 5?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Is everybody in?
I'm
ready.
Sorry.
Yeah, mine's loading. Okay. I'm ready when you guys are.
Yeah, me as well.
All right, I'll start with question 3. So we have this table here about the human blood. It says the blood types and the proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution. I'd say that's true because if you add them all up, it equals to 1.
Yeah.
You guys agree?
Yep,
Yeah.
I would agree with that.
All right. What is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type 0 blood or type O blood? Round 2 decimal places. 35%.
Wouldn't that have to be like 0.45? See, this is the part that didn't really make a ton of sense to me, was like, how do you convert it over? Isn't there like an equation for this? Or is it just, you just bring it over the 0.45?
Yeah, I know. Some of the questions, it's like the answer is almost too easy that you feel like it's wrong.
Yeah.
But I think I would think it's 0.45.
Yeah. I mean, I don't think it would be a percentage because they're asking for round to the 2 decimal places.
Right.
Right. So 0.45?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Cool.
So then what is the probability that a randomly selected person will not have type O blood? So wouldn't that just be the other person, like 55%? Yeah.
Yep.
Or 0.55?
Yep.
I'll see that 10 times fast. All right.
Cool. I'll take it. That's my turn now.
Uh-huh.
All right. So Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer, lie down next to the specimen derived from the bladder cancer patient. Tangled one of the dogs demonstrates the identification of the specimen. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. If the dog guesses at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient? Places. So that's just 1 divided by 7, right?
That's what I would say.
Cool. I don't have a calculator on me.
I
get
got
it.
one.
Yeah.
0.1428. Or if we round, round 3 decimal places. So 0.143.
3. Yeah. Cool.
All right, I'll
I
take
agree.
number 7. In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? This provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. There is little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. I would say the first. Or do you think it's the second option? Is it little evidence or strong evidence?
I don't know, because
I mean, it's like 50% almost,
yeah.
but it's under 50. So I don't know if that's wrong.
So,
Yeah, it wouldn't be strong.
yeah, I think it's little evidence because it's like that's under half the time.
Right.
So do we want to do that then?
Yeah, let's go
Yeah, I
little.
would go little too.
We get 2 attempts on the quiz, so if we get it wrong, we'll know
Yeah,
which one's
true.
right.
Exactly.
All right. I'll go ahead and read 8. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red colored candy? 13%?
Well, don't we first need to
Oh,
calculate?
Yeah, you have to calculate. Never mind.
Is-
Okay, let's see.
Oh, hey, wait. My roommate has a calculator. Oh.
So I've got 0.16 is what it would come out to for green.
That's what I got.
Mhm.
Well, I'm confused. It's saying what's the probability of drawing a red colored candy?
Yeah, so I think you're right where it's like 0.13, but I bet the next question we're gonna need that. Oh yeah. So number 9 will be 0.16.
Oh,
Yep.
okay.
Yeah, sorry.
No, you're totally fine.
And you got the 0.16 from just adding up the other 5? And
Yeah,
Subtract all
Mhm.
the numbers from 1, and whatever's
Right,
left over
okay.
is green.
perfect.
and
Is that
then
my turn?
10's obvious too. It's 0.84.
Yep, 0.84.
Yeah.
I hope we're not doing these all wrong because that'd be kind of awkward.
Sorry, I will volunteer to submit my quiz first to see if we get it all right or wrong.
All right. We'll take you up on that.
Is that my turn?
Sure, go
Sure,
ahead,
yeah.
Gene.
Okay, cool. So question 11, we'll just skip the whole ACT score part.
Yeah.
The observations are less than or equal to what number?
Wait, what?
Am I reading the wrong spot?
No.
No, I think you're
No,
right.
you're reading it right.
I just heard a big what, and I was like,
Half
did I do
of
something
the
stupid?
observations. Oh, half of the observations. So we got to look at the quartiles, Q1, the median, and
Yes.
Q3. So is that 24?
Yeah, under 24.
Yeah.
Wait, what? You guys got 24?
Yeah, so
'cause-
on the table, it shows the first quarter, so Q1, and then the median is Q2 and Q3, and the maximum is the Q4. So when it's on the bell-shaped, curve thing, it's broken up into 4 quarters, and the
Right.
50% of it is the median.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Makes sense.
All right, so question 12, based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of the students scored above what number? So 27?
Yes.
You'd be 27, yeah.
All right.
Which of the? Oh, I don't know whose turn it is.
So, which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability? Let's see. The probability that an outcome will not occur is 1 minus the probability that it will occur. A probability is a number between 0 and 1. If the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low, then the probability is negative. I think that's the
I
one.
think that's the one, I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure.
That's what I would pick.
Yeah.
See. Cool. Oh, wow.
All right, I have a question. I was not connected for questions 5 and 6, I think.
Which ones you said?
Number 5 and 6.
We
So
got
5, we have 0.55. Yep.
Okay.
And
number 6 we got-
6.143.
0.143. Yeah.
Yes, sorry.
Okay. We'll see if my
All right, James. What's the damage?
All right, it's loading right now.
yeah, but none of my answers will even save. I don't know what is going on. I'm kind of frustrated.
Let's see. We got
Maybe you
one
need to
wrong.
refresh your page.
Yeah.
Oh, we got question 7 wrong. It was strong evidence.
It is strong evidence because it was more than the probability, I think is probably why.
Yeah.
Because remember, like even the polio vaccine, it didn't cure everybody, but the probability of it being effective was higher
Yeah.
than if they didn't do anything, you know?
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
Was that the only one, James? Was that the only one that we got wrong?
That was the only one we got wrong. Everything else was right.
Perfect.
So
All right,
good job,
well, you can
everyone.
go. Do you need us to go through the answers for you to submit it again for yourself?
Let me see. I'm pretty sure it's opened a new window and clicked on the quiz thing. Here.
Okay.
So yeah, cool. Give me 1 second. And I'll do
If you guys can go through the
quiz.
answers for me again, I refreshed and then lost my answers, but I think I have it all the way up to 10. What is number 10? The candy is not green.
Number 10 was 0.84.
Okay. And then 11,
11 is 24.
4, and then 27 was 12.
Right.
C for 13. Okay, let's see. What? Right. Thank you.
No problem. All right, anybody have any questions that we need to review there? Because I think he wants us to stop the recording and do a new one for the
Yeah,
next chapter.
I think we should probably do that once James has submitted.
Yep,
That way, and then we'll do the new one.
perfect.
Yeah, I mean, I'm fine. Just send me another invite. I'll look at it on my phone.
All righty,
Alrighty.
sounds good.